Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kukuletu Sitole and I'm back with another video. Guys, today I'm just making amatambo, meat bones and cabbage. It's very cold in South Africa right now, so I just thought of something simple, something easy, something short, straight to the point. I actually wanted to cook the soup with itombolo and Austin bread, guys, but since it's like so cold, like I can't. I can't. I need to be covered in blankets, guys. It's very cold. So I'm just gonna enjoy the soup with cabbage. Just some comfort food in Yana. At this point, you can add whatever veggies you want to add. I mean, I'm just gonna add onions and my seasoning. I'm not gonna add much. Not gonna add a lot of things, but you can do whatever you want to do, whatever you prefer. Do it. If you wanna add some carrots, some peppers, whatever you want to add, please do add. Another thing, guys, these bones have been cooking for at least two hours already. I'm just gonna cook them because I want the meat to fall off the bones. I want them soft, you guys. So now I'm just adding my seasonings. You can add whatever you prefer. Just your personal preference, you guys. I'm not gonna tell you which ones you must add. Just whatever you want to add. And I put a lot of water, guys, because I am making a soup. So I put a lot of water. I want my meat to be soft. Okay, now take cabbage lami. Guys, if you want it smaller, you can make it smaller. I want it big like this. Already my meat is soft now. It's cooked. So I'm just gonna add my cabbage and just cook it for just 5 minutes because I don't want my cabbage to overcook. Okay guys, this is what we have now. I'm loving this. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please continue supporting me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.